Hey, what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you are a user of a Mia Tool device, Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Pro Max, Poco M2 Pro, and if you are looking for the battery backup based perfect custom ROM, this is a very good choice for you. Most of the users already got to know with this UI and everything else, and I made a video on this Dubfest OS. Yes, this is Dubfest OS which I was talking about. It's great in the terms of battery backup. Let's find out some things. Okay, as it is a battery backup based custom ROM for me, so let's just talk about the battery backup. First of all, 63% a battery is still left here, so let me show you the screen on time. My screen on time is more than 4 hours, it's almost 4.5 hours. That is actually quite good, and alongside with that I'm using it from yesterday, which means it has a lot of good kind of standby time too. So good standby, good screen on time, alongside with that very good performance, good theming. This is actually perfect. In my case, I'll definitely rate it 1 at number 1 position, especially in the terms of custom ROMs. A lot of custom ROMs are there. We have the sleep mode available already, by the way, in this custom ROM, but I haven't used that. If I use this, then you'll be able to increase the battery backup a lot more compared to this one, but it is actually quite good in the terms of this custom ROM. I'll definitely recommend you this custom ROM. Number 1 is this, second one is WaveOS. WaveOS was actually great, but I was not able to test the battery backup, so sorry for that. But Dubfest OS, I tested battery backup, it's insane, it's actually quite good. And performance, this is very impressive, as this is a battery backup based custom ROM. Still, if you're getting this kind of great performance, then yes, this is the custom ROM you should definitely give it a try on your device. Just let me just talk about briefly about these custom ROM features and UI. You can see the UI is a little bit themed, and this theme I haven't applied any kind of substratum theme, I haven't applied any kind of else things. These are already included. You can see approximately 10 themes are already included. That's actually quite useful. If you use this, you will definitely find out, and the themes are quite impressive. If you apply any kind of theme, the theme will be applied systemlessly. You'll be able to see settings will be themed, fonts of course, a quick setting tiles, and everything else is themed. So yes, better theming option compared to the Pixel OS and everything else. This is far better in my opinion. I'll definitely recommend you. You can see all these themes are quite good. Shishu, basically in bootleggers OS, bootleggers custom ROM, you get these kind of themes, but in Dubfest OS you also getting these kind of themes. If you want to install this, you can. If you want to customize this, you can. Which are the customizations you get in this latest Dubfest OS? By the way, in the terms of customization section, I made a brief video on my Hindi channel about Dubfest OS features and etc. You can check it out if you want to. In the terms of features, yes, you get some bit of extra features, power menu, navigation, gestures, volume rocker, etc. A lot of customizations are there. If you want to try it out, you can. If you want to install this build, link is in the description. These are the things I just want to let you know if you want to install this build. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.